Okay, this is something I got in today that you probably don't realize you need in your kitchen, but everybody needs one. So this is a longzon knife sharpener, and I'll have a link to this below. Just got it in, haven't even opened it yet. One of the things that I keep running into is I don't have a sharp enough knife to open up boxes, so I got a knife sharpener. And I'll explain to you why this is important. You know, a lot of people don't think about knife sharpeners. They just buy new knives, but this one's kind of cool. So this is your knife sharpener. This is the longzon. It's got several different settings here. Basically 1, 2, 3, 4. So you start off with the heavy duty one. This will also do scissors, 2, 3, and then 4. And this is the book for it. And there is a certain way that you do this. You actually pull it towards you. I believe it's pull it towards you and not push it away from you. So you only do it in one direction. And I'll show you how to do that. And they also give you a nice set of gloves here that are, I believe they're cut resistant, but you know, I'm gonna live on the edge and not use the gloves. Anyway, here's a knife that, like a regular steak knife that you use on a daily basis. You can see it's gotten where you can't really cut anything with it. And this is where these things are great, because you just pull these towards you and it creates a nice even edge. Maybe do like 10 strokes this way, and then 10 strokes on the number 3, which is a little bit finer. I think it goes carbon, this is diamond, and then this is ceramic at the end to really hone the edge. So I'm just trying to do this quickly for the video. I only did like several little swipes, but it's super, I won't say super sharp, but it's a lot sharper than it was. And hopefully you don't see any blood on this video. The point is not very sharp. You can see the point's very dull, so I can't really stab anything with it. But you could sharpen that up with a little grinder or something like that if you wanted to. But this definitely is something you should do to all your knives. And then after you do it, be extremely careful with it, because it does really sharpen them up. Do about 10 strokes on there, 10 strokes on the medium, and then 10 strokes on the fine. And you can feel that it's got like a really, really sharp edge on it already. And this is plastic, so it doesn't cut very good to begin with, but you can see that, whoops, sorry about that. Didn't mean to make you sick there. But you can see that cuts that very good now. So there you go. Everybody needs a knife sharpener. I'll put the link to this one below. I like it because you can hold it and make it very stable against the surface that you're working against. It's safe because you're kind of away from your hand. You're pulling away from yourself, so there's really no easy way to cut yourself unless you're very careless. But this this bottom sits on the counter. This bottom sits on the counter, so it's a very stable solution for sharpening your knives. So if you need a knife sharpener, this is a great one. Thanks for watching.